Please stand by. Important details will follow. We interrupt our regular programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Governor of the State of Wisconsin and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Approximately 2 hours ago, NASA detected an asteroid-like object, approximately 10 feet in diameter, traveling at around 14,000 miles per hour. This object, now named 2020-1031 RTME, is on a direct collision course with Earth. The object is currently estimated to impact somewhere near the city of Madison, perhaps the city itself, within the next 2 to 3 hours. This asteroid poses a significant threat to the area. Due to the uncertainty of the trajectory of this object, the Wisconsin State Patrol is ordering an immediate evacuation of all cities within a 30-mile radius of downtown Madison. Take as little as possible with you. Do not pick up family members from nursing homes or schools. These places have their own evacuation plan. Do not wait or delay. Evacuate now. This message will repeat every 5 minutes. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Governor of the State of Wisconsin and the Dane County Office of Emergency Management. The asteroid 2020-1031 RTME has impacted the Earth, approximately 3 miles east of the Wisconsin Capitol building. Extreme damage has been inflicted on this area. Injuries and fatalities are unknown at this time. The Wisconsin State Patrol has closed off the area that was affected by the asteroid. This area is strictly off-limits to the public. Any person seen entering the area will be subject to arrest. U.S. government teams will arrive in the area shortly to remove the asteroid. A curfew of 8 p.m. has been put into effect for Dane County. It is mandatory for all persons to be inside their homes at this time. Any person caught not following this curfew will be subject to questioning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dane County Office of Emergency Management. The asteroid which has collided with Earth approximately 20 minutes ago, named 2020-1031 RTME, has been reported to be showing odd behaviors which would normally not be possible by astronomical standards. It has been reported that the asteroid has begun burning anything it touches, almost instantaneously. Several persons have received major burns from touching this object, and the ground which it has landed in has been completely scorched. The object has also started to emanate a bright deep red glow, which has temporarily blinded persons who have looked directly at the object without protection. The Dane County Sheriff's Office is advising all citizens still in or near the city of Madison to be on high alert, as what this object is fully capable of is still unknown at this time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the governor of the state of Wisconsin and the U.S. government. Approximately 6 minutes ago, an extremely large explosion of unknown origin happened approximately 3 miles east of the city of Madison. The explosion has been reported to have started from the asteroid 2020 1031 RTME, which impacted Earth around 30 minutes ago. This explosion has completely destroyed everything within 7 miles of its center. Absolutely nothing is left in the city of Madison. A mile-deep crater has appeared in the area that was affected by the explosion. Casualties and fatalities are estimated to be in the tens of thousands. It is unknown what caused this explosion, or what could happen in the coming hours. This is an emergency situation. The President of the United States will make a statement shortly on this matter. Martial law is now in effect for the state of Wisconsin until further notice. In addition, the governor of Wisconsin is now ordering a mandatory evacuation of all of Dane County, effective immediately. Evacuate as soon as possible. This message will repeat every 10 minutes for the next week.